Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to animate a curved line in Premiere Pro. First, select your pen tool and click on any part of your area to create a point. Now let's hold Control and let's click on another area of our preview screen to create another point. Now while still holding the Control, drag the shape that we created to create a curved shape like this. After that, go to the Essential Graphics tab and that's uncheck the fill and check stroke. You can then adjust the stroke width as you prefer. I'll also change this one to center. After that, you can go to Effects and search for Wipe. Let's scroll down and let's drag this wipe transition to the graphic curved line that we created, and it will be added as a transition like that. Let's go back to selecting our selection tool, and you can then adjust the duration of the effect on how to animate your curved line, just like this. And that is how you can basically animate a curved line in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.